Hey, your brain is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. I'm about to show you 4 super simple exercises that will boost your focus, memory, and thinking speed in just minutes a day. These aren't boring. They're actually fun challenges you'll want to try. Ready to level up your brain? Let's go. Exercise 1. Schulte table. First up, the Schulte table speed test. Look at this grid of numbers 1 to 25, all mixed up. Your mission: find and tap each number in order as fast as possible. Start with 1, then 2, then 3, all the way to 25. Here's the challenge. Try to do it under 30 seconds. Don't worry if you can't at first. Most people take over a minute on their first try, but here's the magic. Just 5 minutes of practice daily will dramatically improve your focus, scanning ability, and processing speed. Search Schulte table on your phone right now and give it a shot. Exercise 2. Blindfolded challenge. Next challenge: doing simple tasks with your eyes closed. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. Try these 3 things. Write your name on paper, draw a basic circle, or type your name on your phone, all without looking. Go ahead, pause this video and try it right now. I'll wait. Done? Pretty tough, right? Your first attempt probably looked messy, and that's normal. But here's what's happening. When you remove your sight, your brain scrambles to build new pathways. It strengthens your spatial awareness, muscle memory, and mental recall. Do this for just 2 minutes daily and you'll notice your memory getting sharper for everything. Remembering where you put things, recalling information for tests, and even better hand-eye coordination. It's like giving your brain a workout. Exercise 3. Non-dominant hand power. Here's a game changer. Start using your opposite hand for everyday stuff. If you're right-handed, use your left hand to brush your teeth, write notes, or even scroll your phone. Lefties, do the opposite. I know it feels weird and frustrating at first, like learning to walk again. But here's the science. Using your non-dominant hand creates new connections between the left and right sides of your brain. It's building superhighways in your mind. Try this right now. Use your opposite hand to like this video. Seriously, do it. Feel how much focus it takes? That struggle is your brain getting stronger. After just 1 week of practicing this daily, you'll notice better coordination, faster thinking, and improved problem-solving skills. Your brain becomes more flexible and powerful. Exercise 4. Color word challenge. Last one. This will mess with your mind in the best way. You'll see color words, but each word is written in a different color. Your job? Say the color you see, not the word you read. For example, if you see the word red written in blue ink, you say blue. Sounds easy. Let's test you right now. Ready? Here we go. Your brain wants to read the word automatically, but you have to override that and focus on the color. This is called the Stroop effect, and it trains your brain's control center. It improves your ability to focus on command, ignore distractions, and switch between tasks quickly. Practice this for 3 minutes daily, and you'll develop laser-sharp concentration that helps with studying, gaming, or anything that requires focus. And there you have it. 4 brain exercises that will transform your mental power. The Schulte table for faster processing, blindfolded tasks for stronger memory, non-dominant hand training for better coordination, and the color word challenge for laser focus. Here's your homework. Pick one exercise and try it for just 5 minutes today. That's it. Which one caught your attention? Drop a comment and let me know which exercise you're going to try first. Smash that like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more brain-boosting tips, and remember, your brain is your most powerful tool. Time to start training it like one.